Welcome to the zoo. This is Edgewater doing a Zoo Miami installation between 2014 and 2016. Let's see, we're the first contractors in and the last one's out. Our pipes are some of the deepest on site, place precise elevations to hit the drawings exact. We're going in through floors, walls of buildings that are sunken into the ground. These equipment vaults and rooms are all fed through a system of pipes we prelay and muscle into position. It's HDPE work, preparing for some pretty big pours there. Our valve vaults. We protect the pipes that are all underneath structure and source all the parts from all over the world. Special components, filters, sensors. It's just tens of thousands of parts. And the techniques out in the field, here's some HDPE, being prepared for a field weld. We come through the walls of all these buildings. Our equipment's in before the roof is even put on. And from there, hooking up these systems is an intricate technical challenge. And we feed exhibits like these. This is what we do. It's who Edgewater is. We're dedicated. Thank you. And I'll talk to you next time.